The Senzo Meyiwa trial will now hold or will have a new presiding judge, that is Judge Ratha Mokgoatlheng. He will take over from Judge Tshifiwa Maumela, who was suspended along with Judge Nomonde Mngqibisa-Thusi following a recommendation by the Judicial Service Commission over delays in delivering judgments. Judge Mokgoatlheng is known for presiding over the cases involving the Thulsi twins and late rapper HHP's wife, who had sought to interdict a funeral. What happens now? To tell us more about that is legal expert Benedict Phiri. Thank you very much, Benedict, for your time this afternoon as I lose my words. Okay, let's start with the new presiding judge. What do we know about him?
Well, we know that Judge Mokgoatlheng, as you've just indicated, has presided over some really complex and important matters. He's well seasoned. He comes with a good pedigree and a great reputation within the judiciary. He's been on the bench since 2007, and he's really a good, solid judge. So maybe this isn't the worst thing to happen to this matter, given all the twists and turns we've been exposed to so far. I think he is a solid judge that will handle the matter with the degree of professionalism that it requires.
You speak of the twists and turns. The matter has already been delayed over several years, to add to that. And so what happens now?
So what we will see now is that the matter will start again. So the state will effectively have to call its first witness again. The accused will have to plead again. We're going to go through that whole process that we've been through. I think it does give the state an opportunity to sharpen their approach to the matter. Maybe they may sequence the witnesses in a different way, or they may focus on different aspects of the crime that they may want to highlight. So I think that's how it will work. We'll effectively be going into a new trial, effectively. It doesn't mean that what has been shared or what the evidence and the testimony that has been led in court is not available. That will be available for cross-examination even as the trial progresses. So it's not all lost, because that was testimony on the record. But effectively, Judge Mokgoatlheng will basically hear the matter from the very beginning when he presides over it.
Much has been said about justice delayed as justice denied for the Meyiwa family, but what of these men who stand accused of such a crime? They've already spent a number of years in jail, but what if it turns out that this particular crime they did not do?
It is unfortunate, but having said that, it's not something that is completely unlikely to happen. Judges die, judges fall ill, judges are accused, and in a number of instances, the trial does have to start again as a result. So it is unfortunate that there is further delay. Unfortunately, it's just how it goes, and I wouldn't like to be in their shoes, because I think they would want to see this dealt with as quickly as possible.
How much is this costing the taxpayer?
Oh, that's hard to predict, because we don't really know what the numbers are. But I think the South African public does have a vested interest in seeing that the matter is progressed properly, not only from the fiscus, but also just from a criminal justice system. I think it is important that matters that are brought to trial are actually concluded. And I think this is one good, strong point from Judge Mokgoatlheng. Every matter he's presided over, he has concluded. So I think we can look forward to that with him presiding over the matter.
So come the 17th, it'll be all systems go, no more delays. Are we expecting to hear the first witness of the state being called again?
Yes, if nothing changes, then we would see then the accused pleading again, not guilty, and then the first witness from the state basically being called again at that particular point in time.
Thank you very much to legal analyst Benedict Phiri.